One man wey abandon him sick brother for hospital don come outside say him get him life to live, make nobody disturb am because him wan live him life. Make nobody even talk about him brother matter for inside. I come dey wonder, person wey you call your brother, your blood brother or your family, now you dey talk this kind matter for. They talk say this man get accident for Ikorodu. So these people where the accident even happen, say people no even know this guy. They can't carry him go hospital for that Ikorodu. But they talk say, make family come outside, come pay, come do this thing. Nobody come outside. So you get one good Samaritan we come see him for there. Now he come carry this man. So okay, I know this man. Make her carry him go in family place. He carry this man reach in family place. Waiting family go talk say, they no want him. And I no want him say waiting. Now in son name in the beer. No be on a son name in the beer. On a come talk say I no want the man. Say because he don't get accident, I no get money. Some family they very wicked. In fact, your enemy feel even still better pass your own family where you think say na your blood na they bear the same name. And so this matter happen they say one good Samaritan come see this man, come decide say okay, he won't help him. Help him, come help your brother self. Now there wahala start make na watch video of how this man take even the talk about him brother matter for the hospital.
Another market on here. Yes. Data no my mommy. Yes, ma'am, I mock you on here. Come here. Data no my mommy. Come here. Take it off your brother here. Professional say, data no my name, no. Please come. You are not going anywhere. Ma'am, market on here. You are very stupid. Oh yeah, damn. What do you mean? Your brother have been on my neck. He's never one more to the house. And I've been calling you. You know that your brother is in the hospital here. I'm in foundation. I rescue your brother. You not get me now. You are talking to me like that. You need your money. Are you mad? You are crazy. You are very stupid.
Sorry, what's the issue? My name is Olamide Sulaiman. There was a patient, his elderly brother. I met him at Ikotwebe, lying down on the bridge. I do foundation. So it's like the man has an accident at Ikorodu. According to the story, they took him to Ikorodu General Hospital. So it's that they couldn't see any of his family. You understand me? So one of his friends now took that patient from Ikorodu down to Ikotu to this family's house, to their family's house. According to what they say they refused to receive that man in that house. I hired an ambulance and I rescued that man down to Bobiye. Since then, they have admitted that man at Bobiye. I'm the one paying for the treatment. Close to 1 million naira that my foundation has spent on this patient. I tried to call this man. He came down here this morning. I met this lady, this particular lady. She's the one taking care of Mr. Shei. This foundation, you will do your best for Mr. Shei to get well. When they discharge him, you kick him to your family's house. He was like, is that what I want to say? Or something like that. I should go. One Lord, two liar, that's my body, so that's my pariwo me. You? Hey, people are ignorant.
I have my whole life to live. Mama, so you me. Money life, money life to live.
And I don't say as this man just they talk, like say he no even get sense. Say he getting life to live. What? So they don't even talk say make this man bring money. This foundation people they call him Olamide Suleiman. I mean this man name Olamide Suleiman. He talk say he don't spend more than 1 million naira on top of this man body. If they say surgery, in they pay. Blood, in they pay. He can't call him family say I beg, I know they beg you for money. Just come say waiting. Come they look your brother. Come they check him. If na food, you check. Maybe if they say they want bath him, you do him. But as you know they come, this man got collect person where they do all this kind of thing. Get one woman. Now say the woman now she they do all this kind of thing. You will be in blood brother. They can't call you say can't do this one. Now the oga para say he getting life to live. May nobody disturb him. Say if he no do him, check police won't come arrest him. Now wow, see person will be your brother, will be your blood. What thing won't come talk of your enemy? And they talk say the family, nobody say they don't even carry this man go the family place. So family self talk say they no want. I can't they think and say, it be like say this man don't do this family something, no. You know all this kind of rich people will be say, maybe if they get money, if family come to say, give me money, they no go give them. Maybe now so this brother bill, now making family, you don't want help him. I be this man self where they say, can't help your brother, maybe he self get problem. But no matter the kind of problem will you get, family na family. Know how you supposed help him. Because all this one wey dey here dey para. If say this man get money now, call you say, my brother, oh, I just come back from America, come collect this kind money. You go see, this man no go even baff. He no go even wear cloth. He go come outside, sharp. He don't go reach the man house. But this one now, as he be say the man dey sick, wahala don't come out. I come dey wonder, this man no get wife. Abi, I know that he no get mama, he no get people. As this one no wan gree accept am, make they find another person wey go accept am now. Because as the matter be like this man sef dey para. E be like say time don reach for them to comot this man from the hospital. And he don't follow this in brother talk say, okay, as he be like this, they won't discharge this man. Carry this man, they go your house. And he talk say the man don't even gree. Only to reach there, can't change mouth. I be they don't even tell and say making no collect him. But what in this brother won't even do? What he do for them? For this family, they no one gree accept them. No matter what he do, safe. Now on a brother, making her accept them like that, making her even try treat her, maybe things will even change for her. The way why they see this family, they make me they fear. Some people family even worse. This one where we even talk. Where some people they tell say the family no good. Some people family even worse though. Where we say you go even dead there. Ordinary say make they feed you, so they no go feed you. And you go know say these people get money, but they no go gree one just help you. They prefer make you they suffer. Now make the wonder say, let's say some people now blood money they go do. So if they don't do them, they go talk say, no give your family. Now what's going to happen? Because this boy matter now. I know not I want to talk am. Mr. Olamide, the only thing we go do now, we go beg you. Maybe now you go still continue to take care of this man as he be saying our foundation. Maybe now go carry him, go on a place, go they take care of him till this man go well. Because as he be, nobody won't collect this one. No family won't even collect this man. So what did this man want? Make this man come go and they say now under bridge. In fact, now under bridge as the first discharge, now under bridge they go leave this man, they leave. How you go to see your brother and you know say your brother they stay this under bridge. You can't say you want to live your life. Life will be saying no, but you even get this life. You don't forget saying that God give you the life. If God can't decide say he won't take a munko, what do you want to go enjoy for the life where he remain? And the man self as seen they talk, he be like say the man not today correct. Because the kind thing when I will put you on air. What do they put on air? If say you dey right, you feel carry your phone, come outside talk say this one. Now you dey wrong. Just come, they visit your brother. Finish. Shikena. You know even plenty. They monitor him. They bring him food. Maybe come they take care of him. Now him be the work where you get to. No bring 5 naira. They don't spend 1 million. They don't talk to make you return this money. If they come to make you return this money, what do you want? That means you go die. You know, go even show up. You go don't disappear, enter ground. Now, people they in fact the human heart, your own blood, the human heart. Making a fear human being, no. That's the way you go even look say na your mama, na your papa. The kind thing where they go do you, you go shock, you go even wear glass, they look the thing, say, now my family be this. Anyway, now so I hear this matter, I want to make her bring her phone and making herself using her ear, hear what thing they happen between families, or making her take care for her family. Then anything when I get, making her not forget to write down for the comment section, making her not forget to like or share and also subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for the next video.